Welcome back to Potted Living, the show where we teach you how to grow all kinds of fruits and vegetables in pots on your balcony, patio, or other small space in pots, containers. And this is a really quick update video on my oh my gosh, long day. Strawberry plant. This, as you may recall from previous videos, I planted, it was about half the size of the pot, and now it has grown full right over the edge, and it is loaded with beautiful strawberries. You can see right here, that's how they start off. Beautiful flowers. They say that this will attract bees. I don't think so. I haven't seen any bees here. I've seen them on all my other plants, but they don't seem to like this one. But that's okay, because the good thing is you don't need bees in order for this to be productive. You can see, oh my gosh, there's strawberries absolutely everywhere. And this is the third batch of strawberries that I've had from this plant this year. And what you'll notice is as you pick the strawberries off, you're kind of left with, well, these are the leader stems. You got to take these off, actually. Oops, maybe I won't do that right now. Once you've picked your strawberries, it'll be left with all of these empty stems. And what you want to do is actually pull them right out from the base. And that's going to invigorate new growth and all these new flowers to start coming out. So just be mindful of that. If you're not getting a lot of strawberries, make sure you're doing some trimming on the inside. As you can see, the inside of mine is very clean, no dead branches, no anything. It's just these leader stems. There it goes. Okay. Yeah, so really just keep the plants clean and make sure to fertilize. I cannot stress this enough. Fertilizer is so important in order to keep your strawberry plants alive and active, and they need a minimum of 6 hours of sunlight, but if you can get them 8, they'll be even happier. Any questions or comments, leave them below in the comment section. I'm very good at getting back to people as soon as possible. And remember to subscribe and tell all your friends. Potted Living. Till next time.